Hey, Carrie, I got a quick question for you.
Joe, I might have an answer.
All right. If somebody asked you when they should start having a conversation with a mortgage broker before they buy a house, how would you advise them?
Ideally, you want to start talking to your broker about 6 to 12 months before you think you're ready to purchase.
I think a lot of people would think that that's pretty early. Why do you suggest that?
There's many things you can do to improve your credit and to put yourself into a better situation to get a better rate and to make for a smoother transaction.
I agree. Let's talk about some of those things. What would you say about credit? I think that's the most obvious thing. So what can people do to improve their credit, which is going to get them a better rate?
Yeah, so you can pay your revolving credit limits below 30% of the credit limit that you have. So you want to pay them down to 30% or less. No new accounts. Don't go to Home Depot and buy, an appliance package and put it on a new Home Depot card to save 15%.
Don't close any accounts.
Yeah,
right?
Because if you close accounts that you have a good history with, then that removes that from your
Right.
credit. So.
Lots of things you can do. I mean, one of the things people also sometimes do is they try to get rid of some debt, like maybe pay off a car. But here's the trick. If it's got less than 10 payments left on installment debt, different than revolving, then we don't have to count that against you in the debt ratio anyway. So no need to pay that off. That cash might be better served for closing costs or down payment.
Yeah, what about purchases?
No, don't do any big purchases. Don't get a car or a boat or an RV or a quad or any of those toys before you're buying a house. You can always get those afterwards. And what else with that? Even sometimes people get like the appliance package, right? They'll try to get the refrigerator and the washer and the dryer right before they close.
Just wait.
Wait till you close.
Yeah.
What about borrowing money?
Don't. No new loans.
Yeah.
Just don't do it.
Yeah, and that obviously ties in with not buying any toys or anything like that. But other people kind of get like a consolidation loan or just a personal loan. You don't want to do that, or at least have a conversation with your broker before you do. And
Absolutely.
then the biggest one, what would you think is the biggest thing that people don't think about?
Assets.
Mm-hmm. The money that you need for your down payment and closing costs. One of the most important things that we have to do with every loan is figure out where that came from. And they always look back about 3 months. So you don't want any random deposits into your account earlier than 4 months before you're actually making an offer.
Yeah, and if you have $15,000 in your mattress, well, you need to deposit that because the money has to be seasoned in the bank.
Mm-hmm, yeah, and even if you're getting gift, a lot of people don't think about that. If you're getting gift from family, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can put it in your account super early, at least 4 months early, or you just wait. You can do it after you're under contract, and we have a way to teach you how to do it correctly. So that's one of those things you want to have a conversation with. All of these things make you get a better rate, and you have a smoother transaction. So I would say anybody who's thinking about buying, or if you know anybody that might be buying next year, 2024, now's the time.
Yeah, there's lots of tricks to the trade.
Yeah, we'd love to help you. She's Carrie.
And he's Joe.
We're your Arizona lending team. And here's our number above, and we look forward to helping you. Give us a call. Thanks.